Everyone says Toothless chose Hiccup, but rewatch that first beach scene carefully. Toothless had every chance to leave. He could fly, he just didn't know it yet. He could have attacked. Instead, he waited, and Hiccup, he dropped his knife on purpose with a dragon that could kill him in seconds. That wasn't bravery, that was a message, and Toothless understood it. Because in dragon behavior, lowering your weapon isn't weakness, it's an invitation. Hiccup didn't tame Toothless. He simply told him, "I don't want to fight you." And for the first time in Toothless's life, someone meant it.